because what happens is that a kid learns, the kid is exposed to more people, they learn to deal with more people. For example, for a minute, हर एक का environment cordial नहीं होता. For a minute, let's say कि environment toxic है. It's not good for the kid. Agree, understood, accepted. But resilience भी तो वैसे ही डेवलप होता है ना. So between you, me, a lot of other hustlers, there are so wonderful people, so many women who are in business today. क्या उनके situations बहुत cordial रहे होंगे? क्या उनकी लाइफ में टॉक्सिक नहीं होंगे? क्या उनको पेरेंट्स से डांटनी पड़ती होगी? I had a client, I still am in touch with her. She was from मुजफ्फरपुर, बहुत छोटी सी जगह से थी. All she wanted in her life was to reach Delhi. उसने तब तक वेट किया जब तक उसने मास्टर्स इन इकोनॉमिक्स की. शी डिड हर मास्टर्स इन इकोनॉमिक्स इन 1991.
Okay.
ठीक है, 1991 मास्टर्स इकोनॉमिक्स कर लिया, पेरेंट्स की संतुष्टि हो गई, फिर वो दिल्ली आई शादी करके. उसके बाद शी ट्रैवल्ड द वर्ल्ड. शी लिव्ड इन फ्रांस, शी लिव्ड इन लंदन, राइट नाउ लिविंग इन दुबई. शी did that education, shifted to fashion. She wanted to do fashion designing, right? She's a founder today. Wonderful person. The what I'm trying to say is that eventually वो चीज़ है, बट ओवरकम करना सीखेंगे तो ही तो रेजिस्टेंस डेवलप होगी, तो हमारे अंदर वी विल डेवलप दैट एंटी फ्रेजिलिटी इज द न्यू टर्म फॉर इट. सो पहले मतलब we need to understand that life is not going to be a bed of roses.
Absolutely.
Life is a wave. अच्छा टाइम आएगा नहीं रहेगा, बुरा टाइम आएगा नहीं रहेगा, but to go through that time you need resilience, and the resilience is something that you develop dealing with the parents, negotiating ये मिलेगा क्या नहीं मिलेगा, अच्छा क्या करूँगा तो मिलेगा. So lot of things used to develop. Why do you think that people who ventured into entrepreneurship early on were successful? Why do you think traditional businesses have been successful? Startup businesses, अगर मैं हाइप निकाल दूँ वैल्यूएशन का, अगर मैं एक्सटर्नल इन्वेस्टर फंडिंग हटा दूँ, क्या वो ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेसेस की तरह बिल्ड कर पाएंगे? Will they be able to go through that hustle like that Dhandho investor book talks about, right? You have to keep provision for 3 years or don't start a business. That's how they do business, right? So do we still have that resilience? Can you figure it out? अगर वो होती, actually statistics worsen ho gaye. Right now we say that 95% of the businesses won't survive the first 3 years, not even the first year, right? That is because resilience nahi hai. Ab kuch to galat ho raha hai na.
Comparing the generation before and generation, they both had their own challenges. Yes, that was the generation which as much as people would like to, a lot of today's generation might criticize, but they are the one who have built the base on which we are standing.
Absolutely.
If we are being able to, if the today's generation is being thinking of creating a startup, taking the risk and going, okay, I'll take the risk and everything, it's because there are certain things which are being taken care of by the generation before you.
Absolutely. It is because you have a house to live in.
Yes.
उनके पास नहीं था, उनको पढ़ाई करनी थी ताकि उनको एक नौकरी मिले,
Absolutely.
ताकि वो अपने पेरेंट्स का टेक केयर कर सके, घर बना सके, शादी करे, उस फैमिली का टेक केयर कर सके. Right now, when I got separated, I was in my mid-30s, right? And I was living at my mother's place. I had no savings, nothing to support me. Because वो एक typical North Indian family की तरह, like a good girl, before getting married, I left my job. Like शादी हो रही है, चलो अब job नहीं करना. Business family में usually when you get married, they don't really like you working. तो I had nothing. At mid-30s, I needed my mother to survive. Not just me, my little kid also. So ये बात आपकी बिल्कुल ठीक है. So with every generation, what I've seen is that उनका bare minimum ना बढ़ रहा है. So bare minimum था, पढ़ा दें बस बच्चे को. अब बेयर मिनिमम ये है कि पढ़ा दें, इनके नाम पे एक प्रॉपर्टी भी हो जाए, इनके नाम पे हम गाड़ी भी लेके दे दें, सो बेयर मिनिमम्स हर जनरेशन में बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट माई सेल्फ टुडे, I am investing कि my daughter would be 18, so she'll need money to go to a foreign college, and then at 25 she'll need money whether she wants to get married or do something of her own. She'll need another chunk of money. So I'm investing like that. It's so हमारा bare minimum बढ़ता जा रहा है.
I have an assessment of my own that probably I'll take from my perspective. My grandfather took care of the food in the plate of the family. My father took care that my kid got to have a roof on his head. Probably I'll take care of a particular standard of living. A generation beyond me will think something beyond that, probably a world tour or something. But I am able to think about the standard of life and everything because my
They were
education, my
able
food,
to.
my
Yes,
roof on the head has already been taken care of. So
that's true.
yes, let's the current generation, let's be grateful for the
Absolutely.
generation before us.
Absolutely. Absolutely.